guys, hi everyone, good morning. Today I will show you how I do my laundry. I use Shout. It's a laundry stain remover. If you have stain in your clothes, this is a good brand to use. Okay, when I do my laundry, I need to make sure that I check all the packets. It's because you don't know what you might find. You might find jewelry, money, wallets, keys, hearing aids, candies. That's what I've said earlier. I need to check the packets before I put it in the machine. And then I need to check if there's a stain. I will do first the colors, or what I call them personals, and then after the colors I will do the whites, and after that I will do the sheets. This one has a stain, so I will use the Shout. It's a stain remover. This one is an Adidas brand, so I need to turn it inside out. My pajama. Another Forever 21. Turn it inside out. Personals, or the color stuff, the wash temperature, I put it in cold. Then the water level, I put it to auto sensing. Then the rinse option, I put it to auto sensing too. Then this one, I put this to colors with soap. Okay, let the machine do its magic. It's now sensing feel. The machine will do everything. The washing, the rinsing, the spinning. And during the sensing feel and washing, you can still open the lid of the machine. But if it's during rinse, you can't. It will gonna say lid lock. So yeah. My laundry is done, so I can put it now in the dryer. The dryer we have is the same brand with our washing machine. It's Whirlpool.
Attention everyone on Medicare. Did you know that right now is the annual enrollment period for all Medicare recipients? Everyone on Medicare is encouraged to call 800-0987 now for your free, no obligation Medicare benefits review. Now is the time during the Medicare annual enrollment period to see if you are eligible to save money and additional benefits at little to no additional cost.
And with that load, I'll put 3 dryer sheets. 1, 2, 3.
Just call the number on your screen now for your free, no obligation Medicare benefits review.
And close it. With that load, I'll put 70. The temperature is high, and start. The purpose of this dryer sheet is to prevent static cling and makes the clothes soft and fresh smelling. Now I'm done with the colors. I'm gonna do my whites. This whites has been soaked already in the bleach. So I'm gonna put it in the washing machine now. It's because I'm washing whites. I'm gonna do hot on the temperature, wash temperature. Then the water level, I'm gonna do the auto sensing. Same with the rinse option, auto sensing. And then with this one, I'm gonna change it to whites with soak, because the whites that I put in the washing machine is been soaked with bleach. Now the whites is done. I can take it out now. Cycle complete. Since I don't have lots of load for whites, I just put 2 dryer sheets in there. And I'll put to 60, then high, then start. This is the last load of my laundry. I put sheets, blankets, towels, and I put soap already. With this, I put cold, then auto sensing, still auto sensing, but this one I'm gonna do the bulky sheets and then start. When you put soiled laundry in the washing machine, make sure it's balanced so that the machine will not gonna make lots of noise, and so that the machine will not gonna say chuga 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 chuga. So yeah, back home in the Philippines, not all people have washing machine and a dryer, so usually we use our hands when we do our laundry, and we hang our clothes outside in the clothesline and let the sun and the air dry it. Now I'm here in America, I just let the washing machine and the dryer do its work, do its magic. So yeah.